What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid fade on my boy Johnny, so stay tuned. Starting off with our gold FX, we're going to create our first guideline and then balled out. Once we're done balding them out, we're going to use our no guard all the way open. Before we use the foil shaver, we're going to use some shave stick to make sure he doesn't get any bumps. Using the lever all the way closed and midway will help you remove that initial guideline. Once we remove the initial guideline, we're going to move on to our one guard all the way open. Once we're done softening up the line with the one, we're going to move on to our half guard. Moving on to the back side of the head, we're going to continue removing our initial guideline. Switching over to our one guard all the way open, we're going to get it ready for the half guard. scene, we're going to create a silhouette with our comb. Creating this shape will help us with our clipper oval comb. Once we're done with our 2 guard, we're going to move on to our 1.5 guard all the way open. Extra detail work always requires the 1 guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Moving on to our clipper oval comb method, we're going to continue to blend the sides. Going back to the back of the head, we're going to use our 2 guard all the way open and get ready for our clipper oval comb and 1.5 guard. When clipper oval combing the cowlick area, you want to make sure you go slow and take your time. A vertical cut with the blade is to blend, and a horizontal cut with the blade is to debulk. onto his hairline, we're gonna debulk with the one guard all the way open. I went back to my clipper over comb method because I saw a few dark spots that I wanted to remove. We're gonna slowly etch in his line. Hair clips are very useful, so make sure you use them when lining them up. Now that we're mainly done with the sides and lineup, we're going to move on to our shear work on top. Using our Turkish razor, we're going to make him as crispy as possible.